The father of our constitution had inspired all of us in many ways. Even as a student, I am deeply inspired by him and I am sure you all are too. So we would like to depict what his thought means to us by presenting a play in front of you all today. I, Jingmedang Chandema, is truly delighted to be a part of this small journey with you all as a narrator. In the first play, we are going back in time and having a glimpse of the early days of Baba Saheb's life. So let's begin this journey. Dr. Ambedkar had faced much discrimination at every step of his life. Even getting your hair cut as an untouchable was a hard task back then.
भैया मेरा भी बाल काटो ना।
हे, तू क्यों ये आया है हमारी दुकान में? जाओ, तुम अछूत हो, तुम्हें छुएंगे तो हम भी अछूत हो जाएंगे। जाओ
भैया मेरे पास पैसा है।
नीचे है तुम्हारा पैसा, जाओ।
मौला नजर रखना ना आदमी की।
Young Ambedkar was very surprised and upset as he was outrightly refused by the barber just based on who he was. It is very unfortunate that Dalits were not even allowed to enter temples. They were considered impure and believed that their presence would pollute the sacred place. Now let's see what else young Ambedkar had to bear and tolerate at school.
ओए, ये पानी क्यों पी रहा है?
ये स्कूल का पानी है, सभी लोग पी सकते हैं।
मैं पानी पीना ना, हमने घर चलाओ।
Dalit children often face discrimination and bullying from teachers and other students who may consider them untouchable based on their caste. This may involve being made to sit on the floor, being bullying for teacher, and drinking water from school. As Ambedkar grew, his father decided to send him to Bombay for higher studies. Let's see what happened when the bullock cart driver found out about his.
मैंने आपको पैसा दिया, फिर मुझे क्यों नहीं कर रहे हो?
नहीं चाहिए मुझे तुम्हारे पैसे। तुमने मेरे बैलगाड़ी को गंदा किया है, तुमने मेरे रोजी रोटी पे लात मारा है। तुम अछूत हो, जाओ जाओ।
हे भगवान, इस अछूत के साथ बैठ के हम भी अछूत, अब हमें फिर से नहाना पड़ेगा।
While riding a bullock cart, based on his appearance, he was allowed to sit, but the owner throws him out after getting to know that he was a Dalit. Ambedkar, while studying in Bombay, ran back to his home when he learned about his father's serious health condition. Let's go back in time and become a part of that emotional scene.
पिताजी,
बेटा, तेरा ही इंतजार था बड़े इंसान बनना।
हर बोल पे हर बात पे अपना असर रखना, साहिब नजर रखना।
That was truly heart-touching when his father said, मैं तुम्हारा ही इंतजार कर रहा था, बहुत बड़े इंसान बनो. Through this short play, we have tried to show you what Ambedkar, and to be more specific, what Dalits in old India had to go through. They had one hard life. अछूतों को हमेशा से समाज से काट कर रखा गया था. पेशवाओं के जमाने में अछूतों को कमर में झाड़ू लगाकर चलना पड़ता था ताकि वह अपना पद चिन्ह मिटाते चले. उन्हें गले में मटका बांधकर चलना पड़ता था ताकि उनके थूक से जमीन अपवित्र ना हो. यह गुलामी ब्रिटिश साम्राज्य की गुलामी से भी बदतर थी. तेने इबुने लद्दाख से ना चबिक से तंगमा ngon chugna ngati gyagar na khit nang riks mame migun nam jigin narchitsok nang feste bortonok swale ngan la gyapo gune tu se nam riks mame migun na rang ris ketpe ga jadul dam se dul go sar kyagle gyap ne khit nang khoin kangjes kun jige nyong chesle Tana choksa khoin jingpe naya le zangbu chun re khurte dul go sar kya kana khong thu phane dulenle khoin thu boste ka budna te sar chokpo charuk zete nam stok skyat kyagle tene ibu ngati ka inji wang shulka ne sang stogayot kyaksale. Yes, life wasn't easy for them, but Ambedkar overcame these hardships and was successful in achieving academic excellence and became a prominent leader in the fight for social justice. He turned these challenges into opportunities, inspiring others to seek education and stand up for their rights. अगर अंबेडकर के योगदान के बारे में हम बात करें तो शायद पूरा दिन बीत जाए, इसलिए हमें समय अनुमति नहीं दे रहा. इसीलिए हमारे अगले नाटकीय भाग में हमने उनके समाज में किए गए कुछ बदलावों को दिखाने की कोशिश की है. आइए नजर डालते हैं अंबेडकर के इन विशेष कार्यों पर. He was known as the Masiha of underprivileged. A great leader who disdained concepts of untouchability and caste restriction. He wanted to educate them for a better life. Ambedkar launched full-fledged movement for underprivileged right by 1927 and demanded public drinking water sources open to all. Satyagraha was led by Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar to allow underprivileged to use water in the public tank in Maharashtra. Dr. Ambedkar once said, when a man educates, his family develops. When a woman educates, a nation develops. Ambedkar believed that education was an indispensable tool for women's liberation and overall development. He argued that educated women would be better equipped to understand their rights, participate in the democratic process, and contribute to the nation's development.
तेरी मशाल में दिखाया किनारा
Dr. Ambedkar's vision for India was way ahead of time. He wanted to eradicate the social inequalities and abolish the caste system. Having headed the committee that drafted our Indian constitution, Ambedkar ensured that the principle of justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity became the guiding pillars of the nation governance. Now we would like to present a small dance choreography showing the kind of strength that Dr. Ambedkar had planted in the blood and veins of these young minds. This song was written by 99 Sides, a rapper who comes from the same roots. His music style reflects the stories and experiences of his community. He wrote the song specially as a tribute to Baba Saheb. Ang excited met kakalali. Kung isog ni sige no kawat chungtus ni pala naks nang bardo mangputong skak inang kong mita ko sigyut ngati yula kita nang japto gangshan jus kyak swale. Ngatang ko ni fia sonam jan espiritu inok ki kong jugi na kita nang boto loks kyak halali nang pechos. Teo kita nang ngatang sangma yus inok gunsan bo kita nang ngati chos na kita nang riks mamo ton pozite peche sing met kyak swale. ता yang sacha gune buddhist astana te na riks mamo thanpo jete pheches yamiru gele inna ngadi ladakh se nar chichok se na chabik sik thong dole jikse sa riks mamo in nga riks thon point jakan jakalale ता मिराक सांगमे ना अंबेडकर सरकार जिसके में क्या पालले अंबेडकर तेजुक मी गनो का मिराक ज्ञान अर्गे बारा खर्चिक माने मिस्ताम सालले ता इन ना ngaदang सोनाम चाने नो ngati la खोइन लबजा खोइन थबलाम छंगमा यो तनो खालले ता ते गुण सुंग या ना अंबेडकर ते संग स्टोप पाचन में ते संग खर्ची वा छन में ngate ची चन हालले ता स्क्यो दंग दिरिंग ngaदang छंगमा लोक से का तमजा जुमेन कि योंचे शाने माउस पे तु से ना ngati लदाख पो रिक्स मामो थोनपो इन जर्चेस पो पात ना मेकान चन हालले तना चोकसा nga riks mamo nga riks thon point mazara nga ladakh spine nga gyagar pain changme sanga lata nga mi gyalek in zetana ngati yul boyar gya jache sir solution halale with this good lesson and promise I would like to conclude our school performance. I hope you are successful in making a small impact through this performance. Thank you everyone. Yajile.
मुझसे पहले के सभी वक्ताओं ने यहाँ पे बाबा साहब के जीवन के बारे में बताया और सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट जो यहाँ पे प्ले किया था मिलेनियम स्कूल ने वो पूरे उनके जीवन काल को दर्शाता है कि कैसे उन्होंने बचपन से लेके जब वो बड़े हुए थे उस टाइम पे जो डिस्क्रिमिनेशन झेला जो एंग्विश जो एंगर उनके अंदर था वो कैसे एक खूबसूरत कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बनाने के लिए जो है बाद में काम में आया। हम सभी बाबा साहब को जो है हमारे भारत के संविधान का चीफ आर्किटेक्ट मानते हैं और वो फर्स्ट लॉ मिनिस्टर थे हमारे इंडिपेंडेंट इंडिया के और ड्राफ्टिंग कमेटी के चेयरमैन उनको नियुक्त किया गया था साथ में